lovelies, welcome back to another video. I have a lot to get done today. I still need to get dressed. As you can see, my hair isn't even brushed yet or anything. I'm still in my PJs. But I wanted to get a lot of cleaning done today. I have a couple of errands to run, so I thought I'd do something just a little bit different and just try to take you guys with me today, see how that works out. But yeah, I wanted to get cookies made with my daughter. Like, it's my day off today, so I just kind of wanted to have fun today. So let's see what all we can get done. All right, we're in my car now. We're getting ready to head to my husband's shop because I need a box to put my Secret Santa's gift in, which I'll show you guys what I got my Secret Santa for up at work. My Secret Santa, I have to go mail it off because sadly she moved to another state, but hopefully she's getting settled in there. Hopefully she likes her new store yet. From what she's told me so far, it's interesting, but at least where she works at now. But yeah, I just gotta go to my husband's shop and grab a box from him that I can use to put her gifts in, and hopefully she likes all the stuff I got for her. So like I said, I'll show you guys what I got her. But yeah, let's head off to my husband's place. Okay, I got my Secret Santa just a few little things. She really likes sloths, so I found her this cute little necklace. I got her some socks with sloths on them. And I know she's doing her new house and like, sorry. She's doing her new house and like, or the bathroom anyways, and sloth stuff. So I found her these cute little things she can hang on the wall. And I'll say like different things. And last but not least, she's a Columbus Blue Jackets fan, so I got her a whole bunch of little stickers that have the Blue Jackets on it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and pack everything and hurry up and mail it off. Okay, so this is a little embarrassing, but this is my second time to Kroger today already because we went there a little bit ago and grabbed a few things that we needed, and I totally forgot to grab rosemary, thyme, and garlic for our steak tonight. So now I have to run back into Kroger and hurry up and grab that and go home and hopefully get some stuff done today. So far, it's not turning out the way I wanted it to because I'm hoping me and her can do Christmas cookies later tonight, but right now we'll see. Okay, we're finally back home and I just cleaned the couch. I was gonna film it, but I just wanted to hurry up and get it done because as you can tell, it's already getting dark outside because it's already a little after 5. So really hoping my daughter and I can still do these Christmas cookies, but I guess we'll see. So I'm going to try to tidy up the kitchen now. I tidied it up yesterday, so it's not too terrible except for what I need to put away that I brought home from Kroger today. But so yeah, let's get to this.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we
Just wanted to show you guys, this is the aftermath of doing our Christmas cookies, but Melissa had so much fun decorating, and so did Jesse and I, because after Jesse got off work, he ended up helping us too. But that's not all the cookies. I already put some in this Tupperware jar here because I'm gonna take them to work tomorrow for the girls. So, but yeah, I have that big of a mess to clean up. But first I gotta clean up my daughter's room real quick before she gets ready to go to bed.
so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antlers, onwards ever go. December day, on this cold December day. Doesn't matter if the
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too.
And a while ago, I was going to do a video me decorating for Christmas, but I never really got enough stuff to get that out, so I thought I would just add this decorating the tree and the little table area at the end. So I hope you enjoy.
Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland. that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
All right, after getting the table all cleared off after, making the Christmas cookies, it is past midnight. It is pretty much 12:30 now. And I have to be at work at 9 tomorrow. So I'm going to call it a night and just tidy up a couple more things and lay down and go to bed and get ready for the next day. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.